Are you a supplier of educational products looking to reach more customers and expand your market? Join the growing community at store.tosse.ng, Nigeria's premier online marketplace for educational products and kits. Listing your product is free, quick, easy, and gives you access to a targeted audience eager to invest in quality educational materials. Visit www.store.tosse.ng on your mobile or laptop browser. Access the seller dashboard by clicking on the Sell on Tosse button. Choose a listing category and click on the Submit a Product button. Add your product details and submit for listing. Voila! Your product will be listed within 12 hours. You can upgrade your product listing by unlocking key seller features like WhatsApp chat, website link, and seller mobile contact to stay on top of your business.